You came across smoother than whiskey over ice. Should've seen sooner through the disguise. You're feeling no shame as I'm cursing your name in the bottom of the glass. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best on myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. Now that I'm sober, I see that you ain't that fine. Now that it's over, I'm taking back what was mine. I'm done sipping lies, I've severed the ties and cut that monkey loose. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best on myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. I need a chaser. I'm done with the rocks, I'm done with the shots. It's time to shake things up. 'Cause a boy like you close your heart ain't gonna do it. I'm done with my heart over. I need a chaser after my shot with you. A little sweetness after the pain you put me through. I've come to realize what's best for myself. You're proof that I don't need no bottom shelf. I need a chaser after you. After you. I need a chaser after you.
This dance is called Chasing Shots, choreographed by Maddison and Simon Wall. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, rolling count, 9 dance. There is one restart in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Step right foot to right side, slightly into right diagonal. Cross, side rock, recover and flick your right foot behind. Cross, side, facing 12 o'clock. 1/8 right, stepping back with a sweep. Back with a 1/8 right sweep, facing 3 o'clock. Back, touch forward, bend your knee. Forward, together, quarter turn left, cross. Section 2, step right foot to right side and make a 3/4 turn left on your right foot. Forward, forward, pivot half turn left with a sweep. Now facing 9 o'clock. Cross, side, rock back with a 1/8 right facing 10:30. Forward, forward, forward with a hitch. 1/8 left stepping to side, square up to 9 o'clock. Section 3, side, cross, side, point forward to right diagonal, side, cross, side, point forward to left diagonal. Step down on your left foot facing 7:30 and sway your hip to left, bend your knee, sway hip to right, bend your knee. Step down on your left foot with a hitch, full turn to your left, half turn left, stepping back, half turn left, stepping forward. Now facing 7:30. Section 4, 1/8 left, stepping to side, cross, side, together, cross. Side, behind, side, cross, side, behind, and hitch your left foot into a figure 4, behind, side, cross. Last step, now with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and There's one restart in this dance. On wall 2, you dance up to 24 count, square up to 12 o'clock, then restart the dance. Now, let me show you the wall 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart at 12 o'clock. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.